Imagine creating a cinematic movie with AI, where every scene feels like it belongs to a real film. Realistic dialogue, background music, sound effects, everything working together perfectly. Sounds complicated, right?
Humanity first noticed it when the world went silent.
I thought it was another solar storm, until the static started speaking. Do you hear that?
The source was buried beneath 2 miles of ice.
We should have left it frozen.
Move carefully.
Just look at this. The cinematic experience feels amazing. The background music, sound effects, and visuals all blend together perfectly, making it feel less like AI clips and more like a real movie.
The awakening spread across the planet. We opened the door. They were never coming from the stars. They were waiting beneath our feet.
Well, what if I told you that you can create all of this completely free without spending a penny? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create high-quality, cinematic, long-form videos using AI. We'll be using Google Veo 3 to generate stunning visuals, and the best part is that it can create dialogue, background sounds, and immersive audio all in a single click. No jumping between 10 different tools. I'll also show you how to access and use Google Veo for free, plus how to create a full cinematic experience. And trust me, the method I'm about to show can completely change the way you create content. So stay till the end. I'll also reveal my secret AI music agent, a tool that can take your videos to another level. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to leave a like. And without wasting any more time, let's begin.
I've prepared a single master prompt for you guys. Just one prompt that handles literally everything. First, open ChatGPT, because let's be honest, it's still the king of AI tools. Then, paste the master prompt into ChatGPT and let the magic happen. As you can see, it instantly generates everything you need. The full script, character descriptions, text-to-image prompts, and even image-to-video prompts. Yep, all of this is created using just one single prompt. And you'll only find prompts like these on the AJ Persona channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want more powerful AI content like this in the future. Alright, now that our prompts are ready, let's start generating the images. And for image generation, what's better than Google Gemini? Open Gemini and click on Create Image. Then head back to ChatGPT, copy the character prompt, and paste it into Gemini. Within seconds, our first character is ready. Now repeat the exact same process for the second character. And boom, character number 2 is generated as well. Now let's move on to the scenes. Scroll down to scene 1, copy the text-to-image prompt, paste it into Gemini, and just like that, the first cinematic scene is ready. Repeat the same process for the next scenes. Copy, paste, generate. Simple enough that even your Wi-Fi can keep up. Continue following the same process for all remaining scenes until the final shot. Copy each prompt, paste, and generate. Once all the images are generated, simply download them by clicking the download icon, just like I'm doing here. Now it's time for the next step, generating the actual visuals. For this, we'll be using Google Flow. Click on Create with Flow. One important trick to maximize free Veo generations, use at least 2 Google accounts. Since each account allows up to 5 free video generations per day, using 2 accounts gives you a total of 10 video clips daily. As you can see, I already have 2 accounts ready. Log in with any one account, then click on New Project. A new interface will appear. This is where all the AI movie magic happens. Click on the plus icon, upload the first image we generated, and now pay attention to these settings. Select Video, choose your preferred aspect ratio, set it to 1x, and most importantly, select Veo 3.1 Lite. It only uses 10 credits per video, which is perfect since we only get 50 free credits daily. And honestly, don't worry about the Lite label, the quality still looks insanely good. Now, go back to ChatGPT, scroll to Scene 1, copy the image to video prompt, paste it into Flow, make sure your settings match, and within a minute, your video clip is ready, complete with dialogue and cinematic background music. Click on the 3 dots and download the clip. Next, let's continue with Scene 2. Click Start, upload the second image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image to video prompt, paste it into Flow, and generate using the same settings. Repeat the same workflow for every remaining scene. Upload, copy, paste, generate. Once you finish 5 scenes, you'll probably see the credits over notice. Don't panic. This is where our secret weapon comes in. Simply sign out of the first account and sign back in using the second Google account. Just like I mentioned earlier, that's why we keep at least 2 accounts ready. After that, the process remains exactly the same. Upload the image, paste the prompt, and generate. Continue following the same process for all remaining scenes until the final shot. Once every scene is generated, download all the clips. And now, the final step. The moment where everything comes together. Combining all the generated clips into one cinematic masterpiece. You can use any editing software you like, but I'll be using CapCut. Click on Import and add all the clips we generated. Once imported, arrange them on the timeline in the correct order from first to last. Add a few smooth transitions to make the film feel more immersive and polished. And the best part? You don't even need to add extra sound effects or music because Flow already generated them for you. Once you're happy with the final output, export the video. And congratulations, your AI cinematic film is ready to take over the internet.
And that's it, your cinematic AI video is ready. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
Also, I recently found an AI music agent that feels like a producer, composer, and sound engineer all in one tool. I've been testing it out and it's honestly wild, so stay tuned because the next video is gonna be fun. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.